Hey everyone, in this video we will review Jobnimbus. Jobnimbus is a powerful software designed to help roofing and construction contractors streamline projects and manage relationships efficiently. It offers tools for lead tracking, job scheduling, and task automation, all within an intuitive and easy-to-use platform. It is built especially for contractors, which help you stay organized and automate daily operations to take your business to the next level. By optimizing workflows within Jobnimbus, you can save time, cut costs, and gain a clear overview of your entire business. No other contractor tools offers the same level of flexibility, making training faster and easier. It keeps you connected anywhere with its web and mobile apps for iOS and Android. You can call, text, or email customers directly from the app, ensuring seamless communication when it matters most. Its interactive boards show job statuses at a glance, helping you track progress and spot delays easily. It also integrates with QuickBooks, allowing for smooth invoice and payment syncing to simplify financial tasks. It's a strong tool, but users notice occasionally glitches and want more advanced features. Overall, Jobnimbus provides a full suite of features tailored for roofing contractors, enhancing organizations, efficiency, and business growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.